Have you been to a Bolivian restaurant? Have you been to the Bolivian restaurant on New Street? What's the difference? Hi, I'm Luke, I'm an ESL professional, and I'm here to help. Our first example is non-specific. A Bolivian restaurant can be any Bolivian restaurant in the world. The second example is specific. The Bolivian restaurant is the specific Bolivian restaurant, the one on New Street. I assume you already know which Bolivian restaurant I'm talking about. Maybe because it's the only one that exists, or it's one we have talked about before. Let's practice. Complete the spaces with a or an, the or nothing. Pause here and complete the answers. Okay, ready? Let's check. 1. Do you have a cat? I don't know anything about your cat. It's not a specific cat to me, yet. Did you feed the cat today? We're talking about a specific cat. Ours. Have you seen they have a new menu? I'm introducing the new menu to you. You don't know about it yet. The new menu has some great items. I'm talking about a specific menu. Would you like an apple pie? Here, I'm probably asking generally which apple pie you want doesn't matter. We can't have the apple pie in the fridge. It's for the party tomorrow. Here, through context, you know which apple pie I'm talking about, so it is specific. It's the one in the fridge. How many did you get right? Answer in the comments.